Yo guys, what's going on? I am George and this is You Wanna Watch. Welcome back to the shop. If you happen to be new here, I do all sorts of restorations, from vices to furniture, hand tools, and you guessed it, cookware. So today we got this 14-inch camp skillet. We gotta get this thing cleaned up, get all the paint off there that somebody put on there, and get this thing user-friendly again. We also got a little 9-inch copper-clad frying pan. This is going to go nice in my wife's collection. She's got a bunch of them in the house, so I want to get this cleaned up for her as well. So I say without any further ado, we jump right into it. Let's go. Alrighty guys, well I think we're going to start off with the, I would believe to be the easiest one. This is the little 90-inch copper skillet that we're going to do up proper for the wife. I want to get all the burn stuff off there. This is a brass handle. I want to get that cleaned up, make it look nice. That way she can display it properly. So the first thing I'm going to do is spray this down with some, I believe it's called Easy Off. Easy Off. This is oven cleaner. And I'm just going to let that stuff sit on there. I'll get back with you guys in a couple of minutes. Alright guys, well I have tried Scotch-Brite on this and it didn't do anything. So I'm going to try a Brillo pad. And it doesn't look like a Brillo pad is doing anything with this either. I mean, yes, it's making it a little bit lighter, but it's not getting out all the burn marks that I would like. So, and it's not touching the scorch stuff around the handle. That kind of sucks. That just means that I'm going to have to resort to horsepower on this. Alright guys, I'm going to use a worn out cut brush on this and we'll see what happens. Hopefully we can get some sort of penetration on this and get that funk and gunk off there. Give me a minute. So I have a whole gamut of sandpaper here and I'm going to sand the inside of this frying pan because it's pitted up from hitting it with the wire wheel. First I'm going to start off with some 120. Hopefully that'll work. Let's give it a shot. I'm going to use the used 120. Try and get in here and do a good job. Then I've got a 180. We're going to put that on there, see what happens. Got some 240. $320. Whew. 600. 600. $600. That's $1,000 now. $1,500. Guys, well, we got this one all but licked. This will make a really nice wall hanger for the wife. Came out pretty good. Matter of fact, it'll make it a really good user. So, brass handle came out nice. Of course, the copper came out extremely shiny. The aluminum, real silky smooth. It's not all pitted up. We got all that burnt stuff off there, so that's a win in my book. I say we start on this monster. Unfortunately, we're gonna have to take it outside the wire wheel, so let's jump right into that. Alright guys, well we got all that funky paint off there. This thing is in a hell of a lot better shape. We're going to go over it with some acetone, clean this thing up a little bit. Then I think I'm going to light a fire in the backyard and get this thing seasoned so it's at least protected. So, damn frying pan so big I can't even get it in the whole shot. Look at that. Yep, let me go wipe this thing down. Alright guys, well I want to let that burn down a bit, then I'm going to throw a bunch of oak in there and get a real nice bed of coals going. Then we'll grease that pan down, throw it on top of that screen on top, and just let it do its thing. So we'll catch up to you somewhere in the process. Well guys, I don't know if you can see that or not, but it's pouring like a... Yeah, anyway. I'm just hoping that it doesn't rain too hard to where it puts my fire completely out. Alright guys, we're on the carport right now. We just had a major storm roll through. We got like an inch of rain within like a couple of minutes. I got the fire back up and running. Chrissy's gonna grease this pan real quick, and then I am going to throw it on the grill. So we'll try and season this thing between rainstorms. So let's go. Alright guys, we're going to throw this pan on here. We got a good bed of coals going down, so let's get this thing going. Unfortunately, it's probably going to smoke like hell. So, alright guys, well, we are dealing with storms and everything else. It was just crystal clear skies just a minute ago, and it looks like it's going to piss down major here in a minute. So I just threw some more wood on there, and I'm hoping to get a nice brown tinge to this pan so we can get a good seasoning on there and make sure that it fully cures so it's not sticky. So fingers crossed. Alrighty guys, well, it took a little while. I had to reset the fire multiple times, multiple days to get this result, but it was well worth it. This is going to be a fantastic user. I am quite happy with the way that this turned out, and my wife is over the moon with how nice and clean that this came out as well. So I hope you guys liked it. I hope you enjoyed it. A little bit something different for the channel, so like always, stay safe, be safe. We'll see you next week with another. Bye.